Selamat datang semua ke dalam channel baru. Welcome back everybody to the channel, and today I'm going to do a bit of a short update and short vlog video. And today we are at Imago right now, and we're trying to do some last minute shopping. And we didn't bring the kids, they stay home, and Christmas is around the corner, so yeah, we need to actually get some last minute shopping. It's been a while we didn't come here for a visit or shopping, so we're going to have a look around what they have installed for Christmas. I don't know what to expect, but let's go. Okay, that side is closed, so we have to go down. Okay, you need to scan. Okay, they got nothing this time, so nothing going on here. A lot of closing down, I think. Looking for a place to eat. We're looking for a place to eat, but apparently a lot of place right now. The outlet is closing down for tonight. We're kind of a bit late. Yeah.
Untuk orang kami ada buat perhitungan juga, mulai ini calculate semua. Oh ada? Ya kalau saya ada member dia normal kelas, normal kelas. Member.
Okay, it's basically about 3 ringgit. Every plate of this is 3 ringgit, but only for 40 minutes. Only for 40 minutes you can actually eat, but you have to have a member. You have to be a member. Okay, so we just got out of Imago. So we are going to the car park right now, and we bought some few stuff. Small stuff but expensive. There is no promotion right now, so they try to recover from the this place has been closed because of COVID. Anyway, we're gonna pay for the parking ticket, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.